Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Explorer's channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we have something truly special, new tech gadgets to share with you. Get ready to revolutionize your creative projects with the Xtool M1 Ultra, a crafting machine that's truly in a league of its own. This powerhouse offers 4 amazing functions: laser cutting and engraving, blade cutting, inkjet printing, and pen drawing. Imagine the endless possibilities. Whether you're into lasering, papercraft, scrapbooking, or card making, the Xtool M1 Ultra has got you covered. It's designed for crafters who love to work with various materials and techniques, giving you the freedom to bring your wildest ideas to life. Forget the hassle of complicated setups. The Xtool M1 Ultra is more of a plug-and-play machine. It arrives ready built. Just add the riser base, connect to the air assist and desktop fan, hook up to Wi-Fi, calibrate, and you're good to go. Easy peasy. This machine is light years ahead of the old M1, offering so many solutions and possibilities. It's an exciting machine to learn and get to know, with features that cater to both beginners and experienced crafters. So are you ready to take your crafting to the next level? The Xtool M1 Ultra is here to make your creative dreams come true. Are you ready to transform your listening experience with the all-new from Cambridge CXN 100? This incredible piece of tech combines the rich history of hi-fi design with cutting-edge digital streaming, bringing you the best of both worlds. It's not just about looks. The CXN 100 has been redesigned with expertly tuned and simplified circuitry for a purer signal path, ensuring top-notch sound quality. The CXN 100 instantly upgrades your classic hi-fi stack into a future-ready system, and because it's a network device, it can receive firmware upgrades remotely via our Stream Magic app, ensuring you always have the latest features and services. Gone are the days when streamed music meant compromising on quality. With better codecs, faster broadband speeds, and innovative products like the CXN 100, you can enjoy the convenience of digital music without sacrificing sound excellence. At the heart of the CXN 100 is its advanced DAC, and at its brain is the Stream Magic Gen 4 module. This custom-made streaming platform and app have been perfected over a decade to deliver seamless music streaming. The CXN 100 comes loaded with free and subscription high-res streaming services like Internet Radio, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect with MQA, Qobuz, and Deezer. Enjoy the best sound quality available, no matter what you're streaming. With its smooth volume dial, large color display, and elegant minimalistic lines crafted from aluminum and steel, the CXN 100 is built to last both physically and aesthetically. Plus, over-air updates ensure your investment remains valuable for years to come. Ready to elevate your music experience? The CXN 100 is here to bring unparalleled digital accessibility and sonic excellence to your home. Don't miss out on the future of hi-fi. Hey there, biking enthusiasts! Get ready to revolutionize your rides with the all-new DJI Avinox drive system. DJI, known for their cutting-edge technology, has now ventured into the world of e-bikes, bringing their commitment to excellence and performance to a whole new level. First up, the Avinox Drive unit is a powerhouse in the palm of your hand. Weighing just 2.52 kilograms, it delivers an impressive 105 nanometers of torque, making even the toughest terrains a breeze. With its innovative compound planetary gear set, this compact unit packs a high gear ratio into minimal space, balancing size, weight, and power output perfectly. Crafted from lightweight, wear-resistant polymer materials, the Avinox Drive unit is not only durable, but also incredibly quiet. Enjoy a smooth and peaceful ride every time. Choose from auto, eco, trail, and turbo modes to match your riding needs. Need an extra boost? The special boost mode provides up to 120 nanometers of drive torque and a max output of 1000 W for 30 seconds, tackling challenging terrains with ease. Adjust parameters like assist level, max torque, and start assist for each mode through the Avinox app. Sync your changes instantly and enjoy a personalized riding experience. The system's inertial measurement unit, IMU, and wheel speed sensor enable intelligent walk assist with various support modes. Simply press and hold the down arrow button on the left wireless controller in any riding mode to activate this function. Choose between the 600 Wh and 800 Wh battery options. These compact, lightweight batteries feature ultra-high energy density for extended range and dynamic condition adaptation. With an IP56 protection rating and battery health management system, you can ride confidently and safely. Thanks to GN fast charging technology, the 800 WH battery charges from 0% to 75% in just 1.5 hours. Spend more time riding and less time waiting. The 2-inch OLED full-color control display is your interactive hub with up to 800 nits of brightness, automatic adjustment, and water-resistant, dust-proof, and anti-glare capabilities. You'll stay connected and in control, rain or shine. The DJI Avinox Drive system offers unmatched power, customization, and convenience. We're beyond excited to introduce you to the Dwarf 3, the world's most portable and all-round smart telescope. Whether you're an experienced astrophotographer or just starting out, this little powerhouse makes capturing the wonders of the universe easier than ever before. With its sleek, compact design, the Dwarf 3 is incredibly easy to carry and set up, weighing just 2.9 pounds and coming with a custom carry bag. It's perfect for taking on your next adventure. From the moon and sun to the Milky Way, galaxies, and nebulae, you can photograph it all in just minutes. But that's not all. The Dwarf 3 also excels in bird watching and can shoot stunning 1 billion pixel panorama photos. Talk about versatility. The Dwarf 3 features a dual lens system combining a 150mm telephoto lens with a 6.7mm wide-angle lens. This means you get high-resolution images across various scales, making it a true game-changer in astrophotography. Equipped with new sensors and filters, including Sony Starvis 2 technology, the Dwarf 3 captures faint celestial details with them. Say goodbye to grainy images and hello to stunning, crisp photos of the night sky. Control your telescope wirelessly with the Dwarf Lab app. Enjoy seamless NFC one-touch pairing, multi-language support, and background image processing, all designed to make your experience as smooth as possible. Thanks to advanced algorithms, the Dwarf 3 offers precise star tracking and image stacking. Long-exposure astrophotography has never been more accessible, perfect for capturing those breathtaking deep sky objects. No matter where you are, the Dwarf 3 is ready to help you explore and photograph the universe. Its lightweight design and custom carry bag mean you can take it anywhere and never miss a chance to discover the stars. The Dwarf 3 Smart Telescope brings the cosmos to your fingertips, making it easier than ever to capture the beauty of space. Let us introduce you to the upgraded Viture Pro XR glasses. These aren't just any mixed reality glasses, they've been enhanced with a 10% larger display, bringing you more expansive landscapes and richer details than ever before. With a larger display, immerse yourself in stunning visuals and get lost in the details. Higher refresh rates mean ultra-smooth movies and gaming experiences, offering you flawless, lag-free entertainment. The micro-OLED display shines brighter than ever at 4,000 nits, 1,000 nits perceived, while being gentler on your eyes than most phones and monitors. It even earned an SGSA Plus rating for eye comfort. Imagine having a private 135, 120Hz Full HD Ultra Clarity display right before your eyes. The Viture Pro XR glasses transform your digital engagement across all devices, making every experience immersive and personal. These glasses come with anti-glare, anti-ghosting, and anti-motion sickness technology, making them perfect for extended use. Say goodbye to external light distractions with built-in myopia adjustments and an electrochromic film that reduces external light by up to 99.5%. No need for lens shades anymore. Experience rich, immersive audio thanks to a partnership with Harman. Plus, rely on the durable, full-metal, aircraft-grade aluminum body with titanium hinges for a premium feel and long-lasting use. With the Spacewalker app, you can enjoy multiple virtual screens and native 3D/VR video compatibility across most operating systems. The Viture Pro XR glasses are your gateway to an incredible, immersive world wherever you go. Brisket, the world's first AI-powered grill that uses the cutting-edge Veratum generative AI for an unparalleled, worry-free grilling experience. Let's dive into what makes Brisket the ultimate grilling companion. With Vera AI, your grilling possibilities are endless. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, just tell Vera what you want to cook, your situation, or any special requirements, and watch it generate custom recipes in moments. Imagine grilling a perfect ribeye steak or creating a multi-dish feast tailored to specific dietary needs and time restrictions. Vera makes it all possible. Say goodbye to grilling stress. With a single push of a button, Vera AI takes over. It handles everything from pre-cooked prep and temperature adjustments to proactive notifications and probe alerts. Did you forget to spritz, wrap, or remove your food from the grill? No worries. Our AI adapts and ensures your food comes out perfectly every time. Control your brisket grill anytime, anywhere. With our mobile app, you can get real-time alerts and manage all the grill's functions remotely. It's grilling made smart and convenient. Experience the rich, smoky flavor that only wood-fired grilling can provide. Brisk, its 8-in-1 wood pellet smoker allows you to smoke, grill, barbecue, bake, roast, sear, braise, and char grill, all on one versatile grill. You can slow cook at 165 degrees Fahrenheit or sear at a blazing 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Brisk, its industrial-grade, high-resolution control unit uses adaptive PID algorithms for rock-solid temperature stability, regardless of cooking conditions or weather. You get perfect results every time. Ready to elevate your grilling game? Brisket combines cutting-edge AI with traditional wood-fired flavor, making it the ultimate tool for any grilling enthusiast. Say hello to hassle-free, delicious grilling and let Vera AI take your culinary creations to the next level. Meet XBloom Studio, the ultimate machine designed for specialty coffee enthusiasts. With its all-in-one grinder, brewer, and scale, this machine brings unparalleled intelligence and versatility to every brew. Let's explore what makes XBloom Studio the ultimate coffee companion. Experience the ultimate convenience at the touch of a button. With Autopilot, you can enjoy a perfect cup of coffee every time. Watch as the XBloom machine brings your unique blend to life, making your coffee experience truly personalized. Elevate your coffee experience with the freedom to pour, brew, and savor one ritual at a time. XBloom consistently discovers, sources, and tastes new coffees, adding only the best to our marketplace. Every XPod comes with an electronic brew recipe card, meticulously crafted by the roaster using an XBloom machine. This ensures you get the best possible flavor with every brew. Engineered for precision, XBloom consistently executes recipes with minimal margins of error. This ensures each brew faithfully reproduces the intended flavor profile with reliability. With 80 levels of grind size adjustment, the grinder auto-tunes to any size from espresso to cold brew with ease and precision. Your grind size is always perfect. The kinematic spout delivers a consistent directional flow onto the coffee bed, adjusts temperature, pouring patterns, volume, and more in real time for the perfect brew. Accurate to 0.1 gram and highly responsive, the scale features a solid liquid detection sensor. Plus, it has a built-in, removable, and dishwasher-safe drip tray for easy maintenance. The XBloom Studio combines state-of-the-art technology with coffee-making artistry, bringing you the perfect cup every time. Whether you're a coffee novice or a seasoned barista, XBloom Studio is your key to a magical coffee journey. Thank you for watching. If you're excited about what you saw as we are, make sure to check out the links in the description to learn more and get yours today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tech updates. See you next time, Tech Explorers.